What is up, guys? Welcome back to the video. So if you guys are new, my name is Mike. So today is a very long awaited day. Today's actually the day that I got the carbon back from the paint shop. They're all done and cleared. I actually don't think you guys have seen the carbon trunk yet, but you guys definitely saw the hood. Not much has changed because since it is like a clear coat, we're able to get rid of like a lot of the small minor defect in the gel coat. And plus when you clear coat carbon, it makes it like UV protected. Carbon fiber would last a lot longer, especially in the sun. And on the trunk, basically just like an OEM replacement looking trunk. Nothing too special about it, but the weave is just like the hood. It's a 1x1 weave, if the camera will focus. There, so it's like a 1x1 weave, a little bit different than Sabon, and there was actually like a little cutout here in the gel coat for the rear brake light, like the third brake light, and the guys at the paint shop was able to take the scratch out and it actually looks like it was never there. So that's crazy. So Ariana won't have a third brake light there, which is alright, which is okay. I think it looks cleaner. We'll be installing the carbon hood and the trunk today. Alright, so the hood is now on the car. What do you think, Dad? You're the picky one.
It has a very good fitting.
I'd hope so. It's from the motherland.
You have to adjust it.
Yeah, we just kind of just bolted it on. We didn't align anything yet, but...
See, it's still loose, huh?
One of a kind, boys. It's actually just these vents here to make it one of a kind, but...
This one has, the hood has to move here.
Well, back to a black hood, boys. What do you think, Josh?
It looks pretty good.
Oh, it looks really good. I love the way it looks.
I think you're more excited than I am, Dad, honestly. So you want to ride in the van or the red car?
Right now the van.
Does there any light?
Nope. Oh. Yep.
I'll try it now.
Oh, this car smells. I'm so happy to be back. I don't know why I enjoy the loud car, and it really stinks. It smells like unburned fuel. It's literally what it smells like. Like, it smells like when you go to a gas station, you spill gas everywhere. We're on a quarter tank. We're on a quarter. We're on fumes, boys. This is risky business. This is risky business. We're back and we have the new carbon fiber hood. The rest of the guys, like Kevin, Brayden, Sage, Tanner, they're all here, and well, we're meeting up with them for a long-awaited cruise because this car actually came out really late. Like, I think I took out this car 2 months earlier last year, and I couldn't take it out because I didn't have a hood. Now we have a hood, boys. We have a sketchy-ass wing that's bolted with like 2 bolts, but we're gonna make it home, and this car is really hot right now. Alright, so we made it back home. All the guys are here. We have Brayden, DC2_Brayden on Instagram. We got Subidoo _204 and Reese Above Media right here. So yeah, Ariana's here. The carbon under the hood is missing. That's still at the shop. I've literally had this for one ride, and this wing is gonna come off, and Ariana's gonna be wingless for a bit. And I think this is the first time Kevin saw the car with the TEs. This is the first time you saw with the TEs.
Oh, I got one of those.
They look so good. Thanks, man. Yeah, I had a buddy of mine help me paint it.
Really?
Yeah. It turns out the upper intercooler pipe there, like the hose was loose. I totally forgot to tighten it. So we weren't building a lot of boost. That's why the car kind of sounded weird, and the blow-off valve wasn't really quite working. But the hood fitment is actually really good, and I'm excited to see how the car looks with the trunk as well. All right, so me and the guys are just chilling at McDonald's, and it's actually pretty sweet to see all the cars here again, because we got Kevin's car, which has huge updates. I actually have a video of just him vlogging, so I'm gonna upload that maybe next week, or maybe you guys already saw it. Ariana with the new hood. This is Tanner's girlfriend's car. Tanner, I haven't seen you in a while, buddy. How you doing, man?
And then I didn't even bring Echo.
Yeah,
sorry.
So Tanner's car, is it still broken, your Evo?
Just the controller's still gone, yeah.
Okay, so from the last time you saw it, when it was sliding, it crashed, and Yeah, but he has a Subaru now. And of course, we have DC2 Braden over here with the Integra. I think I already showed you guys the rear bumper. Super race car, super aggressive. It's so nice to see all of us out here again, especially with Ariana. Maybe later on in the video, you guys are gonna see us install the trunk because we didn't have enough time today to put the new trunk on, and this wing is gonna go, unfortunately, because I have a new wing, a better wing, coming in probably within the next couple months or so from Japan. All right, so today is a new day. We are gonna be working on Ariana. She is out, as you guys saw earlier in this video. We're gonna be taking off the trunk now and replacing it with the matching carbon fiber trunk to the hood. And man, this carbon fiber hood just looks insane. I'm in love with it right now. It makes the car look so aggressive. Not to mention, I think I'm the only Evo that I know of in my city with this hood. I don't know about like Canada or Manitoba or whatever, but I'm pretty sure like I'm the only one with this hood. I haven't seen anyone else with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go get the trunk, which is inside, and that'll make my mom like super happy because, well, we just have a trunk in the middle of the living room right now. Alright, so we're just about done removing all like the bracket here to lock the trunk. All the wiring is all down here, and this is the new trunk. It's kind of just chilling here right now because we're going to be installing all that we took off from there on here, and it should be a fairly straightforward, easy swap. It does look like we may have to drill here or something like that for these bumpers, which obviously have holes, so we might have to do something about that as well.
Really good. It's just like OEM.
Alright, so a big thing with buying Japanese or like real parts is the fitment. I don't want to talk bad about any of the other carbon fiber makes because they're still good, but the real parts from Japan, like this hood and trunk was made and everything shipped from Japan. And the fitment, well, we don't really have the bracket on yet. Fitment and the gaps and all that is just A1. It's insane, and plus the car, I think, just looks complete with a black trunk. I think it makes the car look a lot more aggressive, and damn, that weave. I'm just in love with a 1x1 weave, man. This is what you call it, the latch. They're calling it a bracket. It's a latch. Where the fuck's the hole? Oh, Dad. God damn it. He bolted it to the wrong one. God damn it. I was looking, I'm like, there's no hole. Well, that'll do her, because we bolted it onto the wrong one, mate. Damn, I really like it. It really reminds me of like the first livery I had with the black trunk. I really like this Evo with the black trunk. The gapping's like really even. So the car will have to go back to the body shop since they want to buff the hood and trunk since they just got cleared. So they're going to give it about a week for the clear coat to dry. And then we're going to have to take the car back to the body shop and then buff everything. Because there is some minor imperfections on the clear coat which will go away once they buff it. I can't wait for the wing to come in. This car will be looking so mean. So now that we have the hood and trunk on, it's Saturday, so it's a new day. There is a car meet, it's called the Big One. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out. I'll show you guys what cars catches my eye, and most likely all the guys are gonna be there too. And I'll also give you guys an update on Kevin's car since in the last video, you guys saw him put the front splitter, side skirts, and the rear diffuser. Now he has his carbon fiber hood on. He didn't make another video, he didn't vlog it himself, but I'll give you guys another update on his car, and also it is on airs and it looks insane. So we're at the meet right now. This is Kevin's car. You guys saw this in the last video, but he just put this carbon fiber hood on and he wrapped it, and I think it looks insane. It looks so cool. I like how he kept the carbon fiber vents and this part here carbon. It looks really different, and I don't think there's another Subaru like it, so I really like the uniqueness of it. I also see that Kevin put in his seats and the harness, and he also has like one of those Vertex steering wheels. Kind of hard to see, but damn, that's a crazy steering wheel. This little EG hatch actually caught my eye because I've always wanted an EG hatch. I've always wanted one. I almost bought one, but it blew up in Japan. So maybe if I keep my eye out a little bit longer, I can cop one of these because they look sick. I want a yellow one too. I also really want to get one of these Eclipse 2Gs. I think they're like a pretty sick looking car from the factory, and the fact that some of them have, like the GSX has the all-wheel drive and like an Evo motor, like a 4G63 would be insane. It's basically like a two-door Evo, like looks so sick. 372. Sorry if it's windy and this truck is like super loud, but this Evo is insane. I'm not too sure if it's an 8 or 9. It's making like a reliable 750 wheel or something. It's insane. Oh, this Evo is insane. It looks so clean. Alright, so we just finished dropping off Ariana. I don't think we're going to do anything else today. We did go for a little bit of a cruise. We were at the back, so I wasn't able to get any rollers or anything like that. I'm here with Sage, by the way. But I'm going to have to end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and join the Annie Perfect Society. Peace out, and make it happen.